Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best car dolly that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the Pentagon Tools 5060 4-tire. If you're thinking about doing your own car repair work or just need to move a car into storage, you want something that makes it easy. The Pentagon Tools 5060 4-tire skates car wheel dolly is designed to do just that. Although you'll need to assemble the casters yourself, a common issue across all of our picks, you'll like that these car dollies are designed so that you can easily position them and move your car without assistance. Next up is the Red Hound 12 inches. As you work through our guide, you'll note that many of the specifications between recommendations are fairly similar, but the Red Hound Auto Car Dolly is our honorable mention because it features brakes and a dual ball bearing caster wheel design. The double ball bearings work with the radial bearings for a reliable and smooth push. The dual brakes on each dolly are also an important security feature, as it gives you peace of mind that your vehicle is securely in place either while working on it or after you've positioned it into storage. Third in line is the WEN 73017 Vehicle Dolly. If you only need to occasionally work on your car or move it, it might not make sense to spring for one of the more expensive models in our guide. The WEN 73017 Vehicle Dolly is the perfect affordable option for those just beginning to do their own car repairs or who need to store their car in the garage but on a budget. While this option won't hurt your wallet, it still offers a range of features that make it a smart choice even if you're not pinching pennies. Fourth on the list is the Goplus 4 pieces car dollies. One of the biggest benefits of car dollies is that it makes it possible for someone to easily move their car by themselves. The Goplus 4 pieces car dolly set is a great solution for the person seeking quality without the markup. We nominated it as our best quality recommendation because they're heavy-duty car dollies with many of the most important features in a 4-piece car dolly set while also being affordable. Last but not least is the Pentagon Tool Commercial Grade. Even if you have a dedicated mechanic's garage or workspace, that doesn't mean that you want your tools spread out all over the floor. We nominated the Pentagon Tool Commercial Grade 2-pack tire dolly set as best for professionals because it's designed with workflow in mind. This option is one of the few, the other being our top pick, that features an intuitive storage design. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.